At TaylorMade Golf, we pride ourselves in being the best performance golf brand in the world. We use Domo throughout the entire organization, from the people that work in the warehouse building clubs and shipping clubs out, through all the departments, through all the regions of the world that we support, all the way up to the executives. So it truly is an enterprise-wide platform that we use for analytics. I'd say one of the key ways that Domo has helped us improve our overall BI architecture is just giving us access to more data than we've ever had before. So because of the just breadth of connectors that are available, we're able to pull all that data into one central data repository on the Domo platform. And then using the ETL tools that are built into the platform, we're able to then make these curated data sets to then provide those to the end users. We've actually been able to see really concrete examples of savings from the perspective of different financial type of metrics that we track. One in the area of working capital, that was something that we didn't have a really good view into prior to Domo, but because we're able to bring, again, all these different data sets together to get a full picture of our working capital position, then our operations team was able to take that information and make adjustments to their purchases and how they're storing inventory. We're able to really optimize that cost. It's important for us to know where we stand as a brand in relation to other brands for market share purposes. And so the interesting thing about that, though, is each region has a different provider of market share data. Previous, again, it was people would have to download that data from a website and then massage it and put it together in spreadsheets and things like that. By using Domo, we're able to automatically ingest that data and then through the ETL capabilities, be able to rationalize that data. So now we've got a dashboard that has our global market share that we could then look, hey, how do we rate globally, and then drive into the different markets. We've used Domo on a mobile platform for quite a while and in a lot of different areas. So one of the areas we do use it is in our warehouses, just because those folks a lot of times are more mobile. A lot of the data that they're looking at in the warehouse has to do with the timeliness of different shipments going out, or maybe just even productivity levels. If they're seeing a particular line that isn't at the right level of productivity, they can find out what's going wrong there. They're able to do that right on their mobile device without having to go back to their office, open up their laptop. We actually see a lot of use with the executives as well. I've heard stories of where they're able to bring up those same dashboards that they consume on their laptops, bring it up on their mobile device while they're in a meeting and be able to show, hey, yeah, this is something that might be interesting to you. When we went through the process of deciding, what was going to be our next gen BI tool, we evaluated a lot of products, and one of the things about Domo that really stood out was that it was a platform for analytics. It wasn't just a tool. It wasn't just something that created pretty pictures, but it took BI as a whole process. And for me, from an IT perspective, data is the most important thing. So the fact that it had this cloud-based data warehouse that was fast and responsive, and then all of the connectors that are available to bring data from multiple different data sources, just makes it so much more useful to the organization.